Alright, here we go. OpenAI just dropped GPT 5.4 and it can literally control your computer like a human, automate your spreadsheets, and we're talking about making serious money right now while most people are still sleeping on this technology. I'm telling you, this is the moment. 2 days ago, they launched 5.3 Instant, and boom, here comes 5.4 with native computer use mode. That means AI can see your screen, move your mouse, type on your keyboard, and execute complex workflows without you lifting a finger. This is not science fiction anymore. This is happening in March 2026, and you can start profiting today. Here's what blows my mind. This thing uses 47% fewer tokens than the previous model on a bunch of tasks. 47%. That's massive for your wallet if you're building AI tools or automating workflows. You're spending less money to get better results. But here is the part that will really blow your mind. OpenAI just launched direct integrations with Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets, powered by GPT 5.4. Your spreadsheets are now AI-powered engines. Think about what that means for e-commerce sellers. Right now, imagine you're managing product listings across multiple platforms, tracking inventory, analyzing sales data, forecasting demand. You're probably spending 5 to 10 hours a week on spreadsheet work, manual data entry, scenario modeling. With GPT 5.4 native in your sheets, you can automate all of that instantly. One prompt, and GPT 5.4 builds your financial models, generates your earnings forecasts, creates your comparables analysis. The AI does the thinking. You get the output. Real numbers? E-commerce sellers using AI agents for their operations are reporting that they're cutting their admin time by 60 to 70%. If you're spending 3 hours a day on spreadsheet work at, let's say, $30 an hour, that's $90 a day you're getting back. $540 a week. That's passive leverage. You pay for the API usage, and you're putting money directly back in your pocket. But wait, there's more. The computer use mode means you can build automated agents that handle your entire workflow. Customer data entry, order processing, supplier communication, all running in the background while you sleep. And GPT 5.4 Pro is hitting 88% accuracy on financial modeling tasks. That's enterprise grade. That's professional grade. The pricing is higher, yeah, $2.50 per million input tokens versus $175 before. But you're getting a model that's 33% less likely to hallucinate, handles longer workflows, and cuts your token usage in half on a lot of tasks. The math works out. Here's what I want you to do right now. Start thinking about the repetitive tasks you hate, the ones eating your time every single week. Spreadsheet updates, data analysis, report generation. Go build a simple agent using GPT 5.4 through the API. Even spending $50 a month on API costs is going to save you 10 times that in time and efficiency. So here's my question for you. What spreadsheet task would you automate first if an AI could literally handle it while you're out making more money? Drop your answer in the comments and please subscribe to Payday AI for daily ways to turn AI into your personal money printing machine. Let's get rich.